Hey there, want to use Character AI in a different language? It's super easy to switch things up. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First things first, open your Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. And once you have logged in, you can see this type of interface. Now look for the profile icon at the top right corner. It's over here, tap on it. And this will open your profile. Now on your profile, you can see an option for setting or a setting icon in top right corner. Tap on it. And this will open your settings section. Now scroll down to preference section, and this is the preference section. Unlike other apps, language setting is not written over here, but you can see an English and drop down over here, and this is where you will change the language of the Character AI. To switch the language, simply tap on the drop down. So right now it's English over here. Let's tap on drop down. You will see a list of available languages. Go ahead and choose the language you use. Here's Spanish, French, Portuguese, Turkey, and a lot of them. Let's tap on one of them. I will choose Turkey, and it will change the language of your app in seconds. And you can see that over here too. And that's it, you have successfully changed the language on Character AI. It was very simple and easy process. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.